Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to withdraw your earnings from GainWorkers directly to your crypto wallet. Starting from your main dashboard, go ahead and click on the Withdraw section. Here, you can check your available balance alongside the minimum withdrawal threshold, which is $5. If you're a new user, GainWorkers gives you 3 free KYC withdrawals before identity verification is required, though you can always choose to verify your identity early. Let's go ahead and click Place Withdrawal Request. GainWorkers supports multiple cryptocurrencies for fast cash outs, including TRX, Litecoin, Dogecoin, BNB, and Solana. As mentioned, the minimum is just $5 and payments are typically processed within just a few minutes. Choose your preferred cryptocurrency, then click Send Security Verification Code. Next, head over to your email to grab your verification code. If you don't see it in your inbox right away, make sure to check your spam folder. Copy the code, paste it back into the field, and click Continue. Now open your crypto wallet, copy your receiving address, paste it into the field, and double check to confirm it's correct. Hit Continue, tick the box to authorize your withdrawal request, and submit it. Your transaction will move into review and start processing in just a couple of minutes. Let's head over to my crypto wallet and refresh. And as you can see, the deposit has already reflected and is available right now in my funding history. Going back to the GainWorkers withdrawal page and refreshing shows the status updated to paid. And that's how simple it is to withdraw your earnings from GainWorkers and get paid instantly.